Hello there. I suppose if you take into consideration what's happening across the globe with the storms at the moment, the weather through the UK is pretty decent this weekend, relatively quiet. In fact, we started off with beautiful blue sky and sunshine, as you can see by this Weather Watcher picture sent in from Essex. Now, I know the cloud has developed over the last few hours and we keep some fair weather cloud across central and southern parts of England and Wales, but that's where the best of the weather will be. The cloud thicker for a few spots of rain from a weak weather front and maybe some brighter spells into the afternoon across parts of eastern Scotland, but generally speaking, cloud thickening, showers up into the far northwest and the breeze strengthening. 14 to 16 degrees here, the high 21 in the far southeast. So through the evening and overnight, we start to see the winds strengthening further still, and that's going to drive in some cloud and more heavy rain through Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. Eventually it'll push across the whole of Scotland, stretching out of the borders into the north of England and North Wales by dawn tomorrow morning. So we start off on Sunday with a real north-south divide across the country. The best of the weather again looks likely to be through central and southern areas, and with a light southwesterly flow starting to develop, a degree or so warmer if we keep the sunshine. At the same time, our weather front continues to drift its way south slowly but surely out of the north of England into the North Midlands, Wales and southwest England by the end of the afternoon. Behind it, the winds easing a little in Scotland, a bright and breezy affair, the same too for Northern Ireland, 13 to 18 degrees the high. But in the southeast, we could see 23 overall. Now, things get pretty interesting as we move out of Sunday into Monday. We've got this deep area of low pressure pushing in from the Atlantic. This is actually the remnants of ex-Hurricane Helene. There is still a level of uncertainty as to the track that storm is likely to take, but it will bring some pretty heavy rain and some strong to gale force, maybe severe gale force gusts of winds across the northern half of the country. But at the same time, and this is going to feel really odd, it's tropical air. So that southwesterly flow really dragging in some humidity. So if you've not got the cloud, the wind and the rain, it really will feel quite warm with it. So almost quite a bonkers setup into the early half of next week, really. Often windy, yes, there's going to be some rain at times, but it will feel humid for many in the south.